Hello everyone, welcome back. My name is Joyce McTeer and I am the owner and operator of LaJoytra Creation Designs. Y'all are going to have to excuse my fingernails. I'm coming to you all today with this is a kind of sort of like, I used to do these last year a lot just to show y'all like a preview of what is going to be coming. Now, for those of you who have been following me, if y'all watched the video that I did the other day, I did a haul on these beads right here. So I am putting together something for you kings and queens for you all to make and create. But I am going to be using one of these. I'm not going to say which one, but I am going to be using one of these for you all to make and create a jewelry design, an earring, okay? Now these beads right here are, as you can see, those are 8mm. So if I do decide to do a video using these beads, you will need 8mm beads or whatever size beads you need. The only thing I say about this is that when you're using wood beads, depending on the size of them, you have to be careful, because if the wood bead is, if it has some weight to it, these are like, they're not heavy at all. If it has some weight to it, you have to be careful if you make the earring and you sell it, and you don't want to damage anybody's ear. So that's why I say, if the design that I'm going to show you how to make, you're going to want to use some smaller wood beads. Okay? So with that being said, I will be coming to you, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens, with a DIY today. Be on the lookout for that video, and please make sure that you give this here video a thumbs up, like, and share. And I also want to say thank you to my new supporters. I greatly appreciate you all coming along with me here on this journey. And I want to say thank you to all my super supporters. So with that being said, until the next one, and y'all will be getting that video today. I don't know if it's going to be this morning, this afternoon, or this evening, but you will be getting it today. So with that being said, have a wonderful and awesome day, my beloved kings and queens. And until the next video, peace and blessings. See ya.